Gamification is the process of integrating game-like elements into non-game context to engage and motivate. It leverages principles from game design such as points, badges, leaderboards, and challenges to make activities more motivating and engaging. Imagine you have a fitness app that tracks your daily exercise. With gamification, you might earn points for completing workouts, unlock badges for reaching milestones, have a leaderboard to compete with your friends, and daily challenges to participate in. These game-like elements add fun and game to the otherwise mundane task of exercising, motivating users to stay active and achieving their fitness goals. Gamification is used in various fields, including education, marketing, employee training, and customer engagement. For example, educational apps may use gamification to make learning more interactive and enjoyable for students, while businesses may use gamified loyalty programs to incentivize customer purchases and engagement. Overall, gamification harnesses the psychological principles that make games addictive and applies them to real-world activities to increase engagement, participation, and motivation.